everyone, Savannah here, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys some ideas to do on a snow day. I love snow days and they're super fun, so I gave you guys some ideas to do when you're on a snow day. And if you like snow days, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe down to my channel as well. I also started a new vlog channel called Simply Savannah Vlogs. I will link it down below, and I'm going to post what I did on my snow day, a whole vlog about it. I'm going to be posting those videos very shortly. They're coming soon, so make sure to subscribe to that channel as well. And without further ado, let's get started onto the video. Yes. 4. Your turn.
5.
4. Just finished the game and I won against her.
No, I won.
No, I did. She was blue.
No.
I was red. It was a fun game.
So we're now playing a war game. We're playing Guess Who. She's filming her YouTube video while I'm filming my vlog, so it's kind of like a vlog filming inception.
Check out her channel, link in the description box. So for Guess Who, we both have to pick out a random person, and then we have to ask each other yes or no questions, and to see if we can eventually guess the other person.
Is your person a guy?
Yes.
Just kidding.
Did your person have a mustache?
No. I think.
You have Daniel.
Yeah, I do.
I have Andy. Here I'm going to be making these chocolate chip cookies, and it's in this cute little jar. So for my instructions, it said that I had to add butter, an egg, and some vanilla, so I already did that. And then now I'm just going to pour all these ingredients into my bowl. I love drinking hot chocolate, especially on a snow day. And here I'm going to make my hot chocolate in my hot chocolate bar. I will link that video down below if you're interested to see how I decorated this beautiful setting. So first I'm just going to take my hot chocolate packet and pour it into my mug. And the cool thing about this mug is that it is a to-go mug, so you can take this anywhere you would like. And then after that, I am just going to add in my milk. And now I'm just going to stir in the hot chocolate mix and the milk. Then place your hot chocolate in the microwave for 1 minute. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to this channel and my vlog channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Thanks for watching.